I usually give the subtitle. The loose title is called The Code, the Counter-Racist Code. But it's a textbook workbook for thought, speech, and or action for victims of white supremacy. And you can get it by going to producejustice.com. That's producejustice.com. And the method for ordering will come up on the screen. Oh, well, I don't know about the World War thing, but I do believe that all activities since the beginning of white supremacy have resulted finally in the nourishing of the system of white supremacy, which is why we still have it ever since it began. I don't know when it really started. A lot of people have debated that. I don't, because I simply don't know. I have no idea. But anything that people put together, now this is a logical conclusion I've come to based on logic. Anything people put together, people can take apart. The system of white supremacy is put together by people. So it's just a matter of, first of all, knowing that it exists, knowing how this is put together, and then you study how something is put together, and then you study the best way to go about taking it apart. Now, what sustains the system of white supremacy is deception and direct violence. Deception is a form of indirect violence. When someone is deceiving you, fooling you to your detriment, naturally you won't know when somebody's fooling you because you're being fooled. And they're trying to harm you by doing so. It's not like playing a game with a child or something like that. They are playing a game with a child, but it's a deadly game. The white supremacists, that is, and the non-white people are the children, okay? So we are under their tutelage. We are under their domination. And they keep us fooled, okay, in every area of activity: economics, education, entertainment, labor, law, politics, religion, sex, and war. And how do you fool people? Through deception. In other words, you make things look like they are not. That's all it is, a very simple formula. Always doing something, to throw people off balance in their thinking. Mm-hmm. That way you can always control them.
Okay.
Now, when they get to the place where you can't fool them, then they get violent, directly violent. But they don't get violence to the extent that they actually wipe out the people that they're dominating. Mm-hmm. Because if you wipe out the people, if you eliminate all the people that you're dominating, you're no longer in the business of white supremacy. So they are faced with that dilemma, that rising tide of color. I am somewhat familiar with the book. It has been a long time since I glanced at it.
Yes.
I do have it.